Hi everybody, today I will show you how to change your WhatsApp profile picture. So let's begin. Open WhatsApp, tap on the three-dotted icon in the top right and click Settings. Now you will see your current profile picture just right here in a circle and your name at the top. Tap on your profile picture or the circle. It will open up the profile page where you will see your information. Click on Edit under your profile picture. Now choose whether you want to take a picture instantly by using your camera, import it from gallery, import from Instagram, Facebook, or want to put an AI image. I'll choose gallery. After choosing my picture, it will open up in the preview panel where I can adjust what part of my picture I want for my profile. Now I'll click done and that picture will be instantly set up as my new profile picture. Now once it looks good, I'll click done and my profile picture will be instantly changed. Now if you want to control who can see your profile picture, go back to settings, tap on privacy, click on profile picture and choose who can see my profile picture. Everyone, only your contacts or nobody. So you can choose between these depending on how private you want to keep it. So that's how you change your WhatsApp profile picture. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.